Hello sir, myself Shri Krishna 19 BC 1636 and my teammate.
Briju Demel, 1 I saw.
Our project is prediction of diabetes using a cloud-based application. Our aim is to create a web application through which patient can enter data and test any kind of disease like diabetes, flu, etc. We will be able to achieve this by using powerful and persistent dataset and by using machine learning. Our web application will get some user inputs on their health and will process the data. The patient can check their diabetes level at their home. There are two main modules in our project, client and admin side. In client side, the patient can see their result displayed live and previous records of from their database. Data entry part, client can enter the data which are required for the calculation and lots more. Similarly, in the admin side, admin can keep track of the data which we get from the patient. In the question part, admin will be able to set what are all the questions about the habits and previous medical records to be asked from the customer. This is the class recitation we made for our project. This is the use case diagram. Now Briju will present the demo of our project.
Good evening once again, sir. This is our coding part. Uh, we have coded the Node.js environment and Express.js framework. So we use Mongoose for as we implemented MongoDB and we use EJS for templates and we use the local host for now and what in the last final review we probably deployed in the MongoDB cluster. So this is a schema. So first name, last name, age, sex, email, pregnancy, glucose, blood pressure, BMI, and password, and we are making the Mongoose model. And this is a get request for the home page and get request for sign up page, and this is post request sign up. In sign up post request post request part, if there is an error, it will return an error message to the sign up page itself showing something has happened, please try again later. And same is for same is when same as when the sign up, I'll show that later. And when the account with the mail ID is already created, also it will show the same. It will show same kind of errors. And if everything is successful, it will log in and redirect to the checkout page. And here's the sign in part, get request part, and post request part. And in the post part, the same like moreover same like sign up. Here, when there is a password mismatch, it will give a wrong password message to the sign-in page. If there's a password match, it will redirect to the checkout page again. In the checkout page, actually, we kind of had made these questions. We pushed these questions, so the user wants to answer those questions, and based on the answers, we will predict the diabetics probability of the diabetics. Of history, entering the page get request and you're supposed to request the answers for the questions. Actually, while signing up for the signing up for as a new account, we actually declare age, pregnancy, all these as null, so that it could be answered in future. There can be changes made in future. We made the age as null because a user could also check in different years. Like when he was 14, also he can check in, and after 2 or 3 years, he may change. He may check again. So, yeah. And this result part we are yet to code, so we'll show that in the last review. And this one we is for the port is assigned based on the cloud environment or the local environment. We did it for so that we could deploy it in the cloud in future. And in the checkup page, when the checker page, it will also send a text and first name of the user to the page, so that based on the sex, if he is a male, pregnancy column will not be shown, and if he is a female, if he or she is female, it will be shown. Show that while showing the web pages, sir, and these are the EJS templates: main page, sign in page, sign up page. Start the it is already started, and no on code is running. First, this is the main page, sir. So here home button is referring to the same page, and check diabetics is for going to the sign in page, and check try now is for sign up page. In sign up page, there's a click now button to toggle between sign in and sign up, and sign up with a new account now. Account, mail. So if the password is of not fake length, it will show the JavaScript alert. In the requirement elicitation part, we have mentioned that the password should satisfy all the required standards. So one of the major standards is it should be of eight characters length. For now, we have implement only that 8 characters length part. The final review will include uh, simplest part and number parts also. I signed up now, and it directs me to the checkout page, and here is the URL. In URL, it is the ID of the user account and slash checker. So here the person's name, and we can see that there is no pregnancy column in this I uh, because the person is a male. So I'll show the database now.
Once user enters their details in the sign up page, the data is stored in the database. For our project, we are using MongoDB for storing our data. These are some sample data of the users which we created in the sign up page.
I will sign up for a female account. Uh, so for female account, it is showing the pregnancy column. So if it is male, it won't show, and for female, it will show. And the once the form is filled, it will go through the post process, and it will redirect to the result page. Result page is not done yet, so I won't fill the form for now. And I'll show the sign-in part. Sign-in part, I'll give a wrong password for once. Yeah. If wrong password is given, it will return me back here as wrong password. And if I give some other username, it will show me user not found, and etc. So yeah, this is sign in and sign up part. And if right credentials are given, it will redirect to the. So based on the values entered here, the database will be updated, and based on the updated value, the uh, data data frame will be framed, and based on it, will use the TensorFlow to derive the best result, to derive the probability of getting diabetics. Uh, these are all the part we have done it. So after data is given to stored into database, and the uh, the values will be evaluated, and it will produce the best outcome. And uh, to mention, we will be using TensorFlow for the machine learning part. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.